Have you ever struggled with uploading Excel data to Jira Issues? To upload Excel sheet data to Jira Issue, we have to check the given precondition, required test data, and follow below steps with corresponding expected result. Precondition 1 user has valid credentials to access Jira 2. The Excel sheet contains relevant data to be uploaded to Jira Issues. 3. The Excel sheet format is compatible with the upload process. 4. There are existing Jira issues where the data will be uploaded. 5. Jira User should navigate to your work page. 6. Summary column should be designed in one line only and less than 255 characters. 7. Dropdown values present in Excel sheet should be present in Jira TestCase issue dropdown fields like module, submodule 8. Labels should be single word and less than 255 characters. 9. One column should be Jira Issue Type with value as TestCase in Excel sheet 10. Save Excel sheet in comma separated values, CSV format. Test data as one sample. Excel sheet with data relevant to Jira issues, 2 valid Jira project and issue keys, 3 user credentials for Jira authentication. Step 1. Click on Create button at top middle in blue background. Create issue pop-up should be displayed. Step 2. Click Import issues at top right corner. Bulk Create Setup page should be displayed. Step 3. Click on Choose File. Button below CSV. Source file. User should be redirected to file. Step 4. Select CSV file to be uploaded in Jira. Uploaded CSV file should be displayed under CSV source file. Step 5. Click on Next button. Setting page should be displayed. Step 6. Select project under Import to project required. Project should be displayed. Step 7. Click on Next button. Map fields. Page should be displayed. Step 8. 1-to-1 map Excel columns to Jira fields. Successful mapping of columns to fields should be displayed. Step 9. Click on Next button at bottom map. Values page should be displayed. Step 10. Check test case value under target value in Jira. Test case value should be displayed under target value in Jira. Step 11. Click on Validate button. Validation page should be displayed. Step 12. Check your file. Statics number of rows to be uploaded should be equal to number issues will be created correctly. Step 13. Click on Begin Import button at bottom. Importing 0 projects page should be displayed. Step 14. Click on Save the configuration link. Bulk Create configuration file should be downloaded. It will be used for similar mapping relation next time. Step 15. Click on Downloaded a detailed log link. Detailed log should be opened in another tab. Step 16. Click on Check Created Issues link. Search Issues. Page should be displayed with all created rows. And voila! Your Excel data is now in your Jira Issues. Share your thoughts in the comments section below.